Today I will show you how to make this cute 6 to 12 month baby shoe. It is very stretchy and soft. The pattern is simple, so it won't take you much time to get a bunch of shoes. I use these 100% light cotton yarns. And a 4mm hook. Now let's start. Begin with 11 chains. 5, 10, 11. Second chain from the hook. Insert 2 single crochets. One single crochet each in next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet each in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert 6 double crochets into last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The work is symmetric, so this side pattern is the same as the other side. 4 double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 half double. 3 single. 1, 2, 3. Insert 2 single crochets into this chain. 1, 2. Slip stitch to complete this round. Now we have 26 stitches. For a second round, chain 2, insert 2 double crochets in the first stitch. 1, 2. Again, insert 2 double crochets in the second stitch. 1, 2. For the following 8 stitches, insert 1 double crochet each. 1, 2, 8. Now for the next 6 stitches, insert 2 double crochets each. 2, 4, 6, 12. 8 double crochets in the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 8. Insert 2 double crochets in each of the remaining 2 stitches. 2, 4. Slip stitch to complete the second round. Now we have 36 stitches. Third round, chain 1, single crochet. Put a marker here. Insert 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. Next, 1 single crochet. Next, 2 single crochets. Again, 1 single crochet. In the next 8 stitches, insert 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, 8. For the following 12 stitches, increase 1 every 2 stitches. 2 single crochets in this stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. Repeat for 4 more times to get 18 double crochets from 12 stitches. 1 single crochet for each of the following 8 stitches. 1, 2, 8. For the next 4 stitches, increase 1 stitch every 2 stitches. 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. And slip stitch to complete round 3. The sole of the shoe is completed now. 4th round, chain 1, back post half double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 46. Slip stitch to complete the 4th round. For the 5th round, chain 1, 1 half double crochet in each of the first 14 stitches. 1, 2, 14. For the next 18 stitches, reduce every 3 stitches to 2 double crochets. Prepare for the first double crochet. Before completing, work on next double crochet in next stitch space. Then pull yarn over 3 loops on the hook. 1 double crochet in next stitch. Again, reduce 2 stitches to 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in the following stitch. Continue until we have completed 12 double crochets. 14 half double crochets to complete this round. 1, 2, 14. And a slip stitch to the first stitch. This round has 40 stitches. For the 6th round, chain 1, 1 half double crochet in each of the first 10 stitches. 1, 2, 10. Starting from next stitch, combine 2 stitches to 1 double crochet. One, two, continue until we get 10 double crochets. 10, check the double crochets number to be 10. Then finish the round with 10 half double crochets. 1, 2, 10, and a slip stitch to the first stitch. This round has 30 stitches. For the 7th round, chain 1, there are 8 half double crochets in the first 8 stitches. 1, 2, 8. Again, start combining 2 stitches to 1 double crochet. One, two, continue until we have 7 double crochets. 7. Again, double check the number to be 7. Then finish the round with 8 half double crochets. 1, 2, 8. And a slip stitch to the first stitch. This round has 23 stitches. Okay, we'll work on the edge of the bottom. Change the color to white. Chain 1, slip, chain 1, slip. Repeat until we complete this round. Change the color to white. Chain 1, yarn over, insert a hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert a hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert a hook and draw up a loop. Pull through all the loops on the hook. Complete 1 puff stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Again a puff stitch. Continue until reaching the end. and a slip stitch to complete the round. Make a puff stitch in space between first and second puff in previous round. Chain 1. Make a puff stitch in next gap. Continue until we finish 3 rounds. Okay, after cutting the extra yarn and hiding, here comes our little cute shoe. The length is about 4.5 inches. And the width is around 2.5 inches. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe below. I will have regular updates.